Dear student, in the last period, we have seen about the classification of isomerism in coordination compounds. Now, we shall discuss in this video in detail about the classification of a isomerism in coordination compound. Isomers in coordination compounds are classified, that is a stereoisomers, and another class that is a constitutional or a structural isomers. Now we shall discuss about the stereoisomers. What are the stereoisomers? Stereoisomers have the same link among the constraint atom, but the arrangement of atom in space are different. Such type of isomers are known as or called as stereoisomers. They are of two types, or stereoisomers are of two types. The first one is, that is a geometric, or you can say distereoisomers. And second type of stereoisomers, that is a enantiomers. Now we shall see one by one what are the what are geometric isomers. Geometric isomers, that is a geometric isomers, are the non-superimposable mirror images. What are geometric or diastereoisomers? These are the non-superimposable mirror images, and such type of isomers are possible in heteroleptic complex. What are the heteroleptic complex? A complex in which central metal ion attached two or more types of ligand. Such type of complex are known as heteroleptic complex. So geometric isomers are possible only in heteroleptic complex. Remember this. Now these, on the arrangement of the atoms or a molecule around the central metal ion, they are of two types. That is, first one is a cis isomers, and second one is a trans isomers. So what are geometric isomers? Geometric isomers are the non-superimposable mirror images. Non-superimposable mirror image means the image which are same, exact of the original image. Such type of isomers are possible in heteroleptic complexes. Means you can say geometric isomers are possible in heteroleptic complex. Heteroleptic complex are the complexes in which two or more types of ligand are attached to central metal ion. Now again, these geometric isomers are classified into two types, or they are in a two types. First one is a cis isomers and second one is a trans isomers. Now what are the cis isomers? Cis isomers are the isomers in which identical ligands occupy adjacent position. That is a identical ligand occupy adjacent position. And what are the trans isomers? Trans isomers are the isomers in which identical ligand are occupy opposite position. Remember this. These are the two things which you have to remember. What are cis isomers? Identical ligand means the same ligand are present at same type of the central metal ion or same side of the central metal ion. While in case of trans isomers, the same type of ligand are occupy in opposite position. Means they are in a opposite position of a central metal ion. Now we can take the example for the such arrangement. That is PT NH3/2 Cl2. That's a complex we have. That is a heteroleptic complex because two types of ligand, that is NH3 and Cl2. These are the ligand. There are two types of ligand which are attached to the central metal ion. That's why it is known as a heteroleptic complex. Now if we arrange this, then in the center that is a PT NH3, and we can put here first Cl, then another Cl, then we can write first NH3. There are two NH3 amine, and here second NH3. Now the identical ligand means same type of ligand are present at the same type or same side of the central metal ion. Then such type of arrangement, if you consider the Cl, then Cl is present at the same side of the PT, that is a platinum. Here at the left hand side both the Cl are present, here right hand side both the NH3 are present. That's why such arrangement is known as cis isomers. Now in case of trans isomers, we can write PT, same types of complex we can write here PT, that is the first NH3, that is the first Cl, because here 2 Cl and 2 NH3 are present, and we can write here 1 NH3 second Cl and 1 Cl. Another example here we can take, that is Cl, and here we can write NH3. Now the identical ligand means same ligand, that is if you take the example, that is NH3, here NH3 present at the left hand side of the PT, and here NH3 present at the right hand side of the platinum, means both are present at opposite position. That's why such type of arrangement is a trans isomers, that is known as a trans isomers, means the identical ligand are present at opposite position or opposite to each other. Here we can take the example Cl. Here Cl is one Cl is present at the right hand side of the platinum, and another Cl is present at the left hand side of the platinum, means both are in a opposite position. If such type of arrangement is there, then we can say such type of arrangement is a trans isomers. So here we took the example, such type of example in square planar. Such type of geometry is known as, that is a square planar geometry, that is known as a square planar geometry, or in general you can say that is a type, that is a we can say that is MA2B2. Here M is the central metal ion, A is the first ligand, and B is the second ligand. Here A2 means there are two ligand are there of A type, and two ligand of B type are there present in the complex. If you consider the M, then here PT is present, and here A2 means we can take the first ligand, that is NH3. A means you can consider in place of NH3 you can take the A. It is the general example, and here two ligand are there, that's why we write here A2. In another example, that is a B. B is a example of a Cl2. Here two ligand are there, or two Cl are present, that's why we can write here B2. That's why the type become, that is Ma2B2. Then we can write such type in this manner, so we can easily arrange such type of complex in cis isomers and trans isomers. Now the another example we can take, that is PTNH3, that is a PT NH3 H2O Cl2. Such type you can make, that is M A B C. Here M is the PT, that is central metal ion, A is the NH3, B is the H2O, and here Cl2, that is C2, or you can say here you can take the A2, Ma2BC. Here we can take that M is the central metal ion, Cl2 is the A. You can take any one of the alphabet for the such type of ligand, and B is the H2O, C is the NH3. We can write in this manner. Now we shall arrange, we shall try to arrange these complex in cis and trans position. Then we can write, that is PT. Here one H2O is there, only one H2O, and we can write here, that is a NH3, can write here, and there are two Cl, so we can write first Cl, and this one is the second Cl. Now we can say that here the same type of ligand are present at the same direction or same side of the central metal ion. Here Cl is the same type of ligand or identical ligand, that's why they are present at the same side of the central metal ion. That's why such type of arrangement is a cis isomers. Now we can take another arrangement, that is PT H2O. Here at the place of NH3 we can write here Cl. Here another Cl we can take in opposite position, and next one is a NH3. That's why identical ligand are present at opposite position. Now here identical ligand are Cl, means same type of ligand, that is first Cl, this one is the second Cl, both are present at the opposite direction. That's why such type of arrangement is a trans arrangement or a trans isomers, that is known as a trans isomers. So in this way we can write the cis and trans isomers by putting the same type of ligand in same side of the central metal ion or a opposite direction of the central metal ion. Now there are various example we can take, that is the example for the square planar, means a type of complex in which four types of ligand are present. Now we can take the another example in which six type of ligand are there, that is known as the which can form the octahedral geometry. they can form the octahedral geometry. Octahedral geometry are formed in which type of complex, in which there are 6 ligands are there. Remember, the square planar geometry are formed in which complex, in which there are 4 ligands are there, and octahedral geometry are formed in such a complex in which 6 ligands are there. Now we can take the example, general example we can take, that is MA4 BC. Here 4A type of ligand, 1B type of ligand, and 1C type of ligand, means 4 plus 5 plus 1, that is 5, and plus 1 6, means 6 type of 6 ligand are there in such a complex. Example we can take, that is CO NH3/4, Cl2. Here we can also change this by various example. Here we took the example, that is 4 NH3 type of ligand and 2 Cl2 type of ligand. Then we can write here in general example, that is Ma4 and B2, you can write here in this manner. Or we can also change the ligand here, 1 Cl and 1 H2, you can write here. If you take the example of Ma4, B and C, then you can write here CO NH3/4, Cl and H2O, any one of the ligand you can write here. Now we shall try to arrange this ligand, in which identical ligand we have to write in the same side. That's why we shall take or we can understand that such type of arrangement is a cis arrangement, and if the ligand are in opposite direction, then we can say that it is a trans type of arrangement or trans isomers. Now we can write here the central metal line is CO, then we can write here say in the center. Now we shall try to write the same type of ligand in same direction. Now here that there are 6 type of ligand, then 4 are in a 4 corner. One is perpendicular to the plane, and second one is the below the plane. Now we shall try to write the types of ligand. There are 4 NH3, then we can write from here, that is first NH3, this one is the second NH3, third one, and this one is the fourth one, and remaining 2 Cl, that is first Cl, and this one is the second Cl. Now we can write this in this way. Now if you consider any one of the identical ligand or same ligand, for example if you consider the Cl, then both the Cl are present at the same side of the central metal line. Or if you consider the NH3, then all the NH3 are present at the same side, then such type of arrangement is known as cis isomers, in which identical or same ligand are present at the same side of the central metal line. Now another example or another arrangement we can take of this formula, that is CO in the center. Now we can draw the structure like this. 4 ligand are present at the 4 corner, and remaining 2 ligand are above and below the plane or perpendicular to the plane. Now there is the first NH3, this one is the second NH3, this one is the third one, this one is the fourth one. Here first Cl, here second Cl. Now if you observe this example or arrangement, then what happened? 2 NH3 are present at the left hand side of the central metal line, and 2 NH3 are present at the right hand side of the central metal ion, and means both the ligand, same type of ligand are present at opposite direction. Here if you took the example of Cl, then first Cl are present at the perpendicular or above the perpendicular of a CO, and second one is the below perpendicular to the CO, means both are present at the opposite direction. Then such type of arrangement is known as, that is a trans arrangement or a trans isomers. So in this way you can take the various example which is given in your textbook at page number 98. So you can also write the various example of a geometrical isomers in which there are two types, that is cis isomers and trans isomers. Cis isomers are the isomers in which identical ligand are present at the same side of the central metal ion, while in case of trans isomers, identical ligand are present at the opposite direction or opposite side of the central metal ion. Now the remaining type of stereoisomers, that is a optical isomer, we shall discuss in the next video.